Are water supply conditions starting to improve in California? Welcome to part one of a three-part series. With the recent wet weather, many people are wondering if the water supply conditions are starting to improve in California. The Sierra Nevada mountains receive on average about 40 to 50 inches of precipitation per year, 50 inches in the northern Sierra, and about 41 inches in the central Sierra. These areas are important because they're where most of the state's large reservoirs are located, so it's where we depend on long-term water storage. After 3 years of drought, many of these reservoirs have been drawn down to low levels. The cumulative 3-year precipitation deficit in the northern Sierra as of October 1st was about 33 inches. On average, the northern Sierra receive about 150 inches for a 3-year period, but for the past 3 years they've only received about 117 inches. Looking at the 3-year precipitation deficit gives us an idea of how much precipitation might be needed to recover from the drought. For the central Sierra, the deficit's about 50 inches. On average, the central Sierra receives about 122 inches during a 3-year period, but for the past 3-year period ending October 1st, they only received about 71 inches. So how much precipitation would be needed to help alleviate the drought? Or how much have the recent storms contributed toward alleviating the drought? Tune in to part 2 to find out.